Hi, my name is Andrew Jezic. I'm the lead partner here at Jezic Moyse. Today I want to talk to you about post-convictions. We handle post-convictions and coram nobis petitions. Those are petitions where a client is either in jail or on probation, or the case is over, but the client for whatever reason feels that the original attorney did not do a good job. So it's our job when a client hires us to do one of those things is to look at the original transcript of the entire trial or the guilty plea or whatever it was and try to figure out if the original attorney did not do his or her job to a minimum standard of professionalism. And if we find something or we find a couple errors, that's good news for the client, and we might be able to convince a judge to either give a new trial, a new sentencing, or reverse the guilty plea, or even a new appeal if we're looking at the work of an appellate attorney. And that's what happened last week. We were able to convince the prosecutors via a 65-page petition that the original trial attorney in a jury trial in Montgomery County back in 2009 had not done the job up to professional standards. And there was a high likelihood that if we had actually had this two-day post-conviction hearing in the circuit court for Montgomery County, that we would have prevailed. So the prosecutor agreed to let my client out of jail that day, yet last week on Thursday. Despite a 14-year sentence, he ended up only serving a little more than 3 years. He went home on Thursday with his family and celebrated Thursday night. And we were able to show the prosecutor that it was highly likely they were going to lose this post-conviction hearing, and in return, we had to give up a few things, but the client was happy to do that because he got out of the state prison after 3 years on a 14-year sentence. So if you have any questions whatsoever about the job that your attorney did in the past in a case where there's been a guilty plea or a guilty verdict, come see us. The consultation is free. We'll look at it carefully. We'll hear all aspects of your story and any complaints that you have. We work late. We're here on the weekends. I'm going to give you my cell phone, and I look forward to spending a lot of time with you and your family so that we can examine whether or not it's worth to try to undo or erase this terrible blight on your record. Thank you very much.